So take the hatchet, okay, and hold it. You want to put your thumb directly behind it because what that does is it keeps the hatchet straight. Okay, and let's just get the right hand down before we try the left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cut my.
That's very dangerous. Okay.
Giga.
Must be done under proper supervision.
Oh wow, you got
Andy, are you a proper supervisor?
Oh my god.
Well,
it's
you're
not
the
like
one
a
with
soft
the
part
beer.
of-
I see busted the Gandalf pipe. Okay. No, it's
Mr. Mackey.
that was awesome, babe. You're a natural.
It's all in the motion.
Go do it, Giga. That was great. That was actually really funny. Well, shit, Andy, we got to get her on the board first. Not in your neighbor's yard.
You want to try again?
Yeah.
we got like a net we can put over there.
Watch. Watch me. Watch how I throw. I'm going to keep, like there's a pin in my elbow, right? And I'm just throwing it lightly to show you. There's like a whipping, almost like a whipping action, and you flip your wrist and let go of and keep your arms straight. Don't be afraid of it.
Quick.
Yeah, get your ass out of there, bro. You're gonna have an axe in your ass.
I'm gonna break the handle.
Did you throw it with? Did she?
Max.
Yeah, right.
Hey, it was better. At least I hit.
It's getting everything's getting black. Max.
I'm a doctor. I can't help you on this one, buddy.
You take care of that one.
Yeah. I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Hey, he's at the office. Hey, Andy. Hey, the handle hit this time. She's improving quickly. You're actually close, babe. You made improvement.
Don't give her space.
Yeah. I swear, I didn't mean to.
Should probably throw it backwards on purpose. You actually, babe, look at though, you hit.
Right here. This is your X. Yeah. So you stand right here. Just like this one. Your X. You should be able to hit it right where
I think I just need to get over my fear of hitting myself.
Well, yeah, don't do that.
Jeez.
Sure about this?
Not really. We got health insurance? Yeah, we're good. How much do you like that right leg, babe? Oh, okay.
Well, you know what? That one actually was a little better.
Yep.
You stand on your X way. Stand on your X.
Babe, that was a lot better. Good job.
Oh, there we go. This X was good for me.
Your first axe throw, babe. Good job.
Nice. See? See, are you over your fear now?
Yeah.
I don't know if we should be introducing her to this, though, when she gets mad at me.
You might be getting a plate upside your head. She's already...
Okay, I just wanted to do that.
What did I do? Where's this in anger from? Jesus.
Go down here and check with my wife.
Oh, okay, well, my bad.
Even Mishka's like, that was bad as she's coming over. Like, what the hell is that, Mom?
I stuck it up here.
That was awesome.
I feel like Thor. That was a lot of fun.
Nice one.
This is so much fun. I want
Babe,
one.
you're a natural.
I want one.
You're like getting good at this. I'm kind of legitly worried.
How do I throw? Let me if I get.
Holy shit, babe. No, that was actually really good. She hit it, the first one with her right again. I think actually that would have hit if you wouldn't have been to the right. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Once your aim is on, you'll actually hit. Careful, 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 Michigan. They are having so much fun. I got all that on film though, bro. That was epic.
Oh man.
Oh no, what happened?
Took my yard, man.
Oh.
Is this okay? Is that fucked up?
You have to leave it. Oh look, I got a dent.
That was gnarly. You alright, brother?
Max, you need to do your physical now. Make sure you didn't hit your head or anything
Nah.
like that.